Got some new. Well, I can't say they new, to be honest with you. I done had them for probably about 3 months. I know everybody done seen my old videos where I done had the blue eyebrows, but I went on and added some little bulbs. I don't know if y'all can see them. Let me see. Have some light on it. You can see my old ones, them blue ones, but these are the ones that I went on and grabbed off of, I believe it's eBay. I think I got like 10 of them for it's one of those changing color lights, you know, as y'all can see in the video that it changed colors. But they're brighter than the blue ones I had, and that's what I like about it. The only thing is, I can't get them to adjust together, not unless I, because we had this eyebrow on the Magnums, so it's kind of hard for it to be seen, so you got to get down low, you know what I mean, that way you can get that going. Come over here, then you got to come over here, do that, you know what I mean. That's the only thing that I have a problem with. But other than that, they pretty bright. They bright. I do have them in the back of the Magnum, the back doors. They don't have a set for the lights, your dome lights right here, but they have them for the back dome lights. I put them in, and they pretty good. I like them. I can't complain, you know. Something to kick around, something to do. I just can't wait till I light this up. Wait till that light up. Oh boy, I have the pieces. Now mind you, I understand a lot of y'all probably like, man, you always say you got pieces. I have to do things sparingly according to, you know, my issues that I be having going on, but I like it, and I get to it as I can get to it. Maybe she might have died because I was sitting here with the lights, so, because I haven't been running it. Let me say, whew, hate when the key does that. Let me see. Oh, she didn't die. But we're gonna let her run for a second. You know, it's still, me personally, it's still early, y'all. But it's getting late fast. You know, so I'm just gonna go ahead and end this video. You know, I'll go ahead and show y'all with the lights in the inside. I apologize. I hope it ain't too bright. We're gonna go ahead and there go the blue in the inside. And then see what I was saying about the dome. They work for them because they don't work for these because, you know, you got the two connector pieces that have to connect to the dome lights. The back, they only have the one where you just plug it in. But yeah, it does the same thing. They all set up on the same remote. You know, let y'all see. Don't mind my car, you know, work in progress. I'm working on it. You know, they set up like that. They do the alternate changing colors. They dance in the back. Now, mind you, I have not done the back of the trunk yet. It's probably a mess in the back, but you know, like I say, I've been working on it. So y'all have to excuse the mess. Ooh. See my boxes everywhere. But yeah, I gotta put a light up here as y'all can see that one's out. So, wait a minute. Y'all can see that one's out. So I definitely have to add a light there. You know, but I think it's pretty decent. I think it's gonna look good. You know, like my man, Mr. 300. Honestly, I fell off of it because I haven't been doing anything, but when I saw saw your blue lights in his car. That shit looked good to me. So, therefore, it motivated me to go ahead and put my lights in. I've been had them, but I just never did it. I've been doing all kinds of other things. Hopefully y'all can hear me. But I'm gonna give a shout out to you, Mr.